Hello everyone. Yeah, so this here is a VE Commodore 2007 SS Youth, and it comes with all the extra goodies. It's got a cam package on it, and Nos all set up and ready to go. Yeah, you can have a look at it here. Let's see if it's visible. There it is. So Nos is all wired up and ready to go. And there it is there. Just press that button right there. Once you press that button, the green light comes up. Green light comes up here, and you switch on the Nos Express, and then it's ready to go. Perfect car for people out there who loves like drag racing and stuff. Yeah, you won't use Nostras whilst you're driving in the roads because it's pretty much fast, it's too fast for that. And yeah, and it's got a roof spoiler there, and it's lowered, as you can see. Yeah, it's a very low car. Yeah, but looks alright being lowered and all. And I'll let you have a look at the engine bay area. And one thing, the car, it's got a few imperfections here and there, as you can see here. It's got some bit of scratches here and there. For its age, that should be alright, you know what I'm saying? It's not that bad, Just a couple of scratches here and there, but still looks perfectly fine, just needs a bit of love from the right person, and it will come back to its awesome self. I'll just let you have a look in the engine bay area for a second. Yeah. Alright, okay. So here we go. That's the engine bay area there. No oil leaks, everything is perfect. The engine is still like spunk on new. Look at the extractors there. The engine's got, the whole car's got 70,000 Ks, mate. 70,000 only. The ex-owner, the guy who sold me the car, he was a fly-in fly-out worker. He only worked like 3 weeks and 1 week on, and he mostly used the car when he was off, and mostly he went brake racing and stuff. And he had the dollars, that's why he spent lots of money on this car, some like close to 18,000 G's on the engine upgrade and everything, and so it's too fast for me, I need something that's in normal driving capacity. Okay, I'll let you hear the engine. Hold on for a second there. Very lumpy, beautiful notes. It's got beautiful notes to it, as you can see. Oh, it's a lady grabber indeed. Gentlemen, start your engines. Alright, and there's the engine there, area running there. It's a beautiful car. Beautiful car, just some love, that's all. And yeah, the roof has got a matte black vinyl wrap on it, but it wasn't done that 100% proper. You know, the guy who did the vinyl wrap, when I got it, you know, it's not that perfect, the vinyl wrapping down on it. And yeah, that's about it. You have a beautiful day.